Alrighty guys, what's going on? I know that video yesterday was shitty, but you know, we're here. I'm out here with Zach. It's Saturday morning. Picking up a little toy, a little surprise, so stay tuned for that. But just want to get another update because I haven't been making videos consistently, unfortunately. Just been a little busy with work and traveling. So I think I have about 12 videos that still have to come out. I'm gonna try and get on a schedule of Fridays for the better videos and Mondays for like the catch-up videos. So the weekends are the only time I really have to edit nowadays. If any of you subscribers, you know, want to edit for me, let me know, because I know generally all you guys are local. So put it down in the comments if you want to do that. I never said this before, but if people want to turn on that notification bell, I've never said that as a YouTuber, but if you guys want to do that, that'd help me out too. I turned yours on last night, don't worry. Joe, Sean,
left, right.
Better be on. Yeah, left. Up the street road, up the way. So, yeah, we got Zach helping me out today. Miata. So, yeah, stay tuned. Little update video, and maybe I'll give you guys a little preview of what we're picking up today. All right, thanks, guys.